Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it so very much. You guys, I'm almost to 1,800 subscribers, and you, by clicking subscribe, could get me one person closer to the goal, which will be also bringing a giant box of goodies for you guys. When I reach 1,800 subscribers, I will have a big old-fashioned giveaway with tons of palettes and good stuff, good quality makeup and skincare. Today we are going to be looking at the Chucky palette, the Crazy in Love palette with Chucky and Tiffany. I'm not a Chucky fan. I've seen some Chucky stuff, and this is just high quality, you know, very high quality packaging, and it's a beautiful, beautiful palette. I can't wait to put these on my eyeballs. You guys know I love a dark aesthetic. I love having some dark smoky colors on my eyes. And let's jump into this motherfucker. I didn't mean to say that. Let's jump into this mother. Did I turn off some people? Did you run away? Please don't run away. Stay with me while I put on this beautiful eyeshadows. All right, so let's start with this gray because it seems to be light and soft compared to the rest of the colors. I'm going in real easy because I don't know. This seems pretty pigmented. This is by Glamlite, and Glamlite has a great formula. I'm just doing like a little wash of gray from my crease right now. Just trying to keep it light because it's going to be a dark look. It's going to be a vampy, smoky, sultry look. With this palette, how can it be anything else? Even gothic, if you like that kind of stuff. I'm not goth. I'm goth adjacent. I have a lot of black clothes, and I like some of the music, and I go to some of the places where those people hang out. Those people, some of those people are my friends. But anyway, it's hard to tell where to start because everything is so dark on this. So I'm going to go into this purple, which is, the gray was called Good Guys, and this is called issue 666. Look how dark that is. I did not want to start off this dark, but that's what I chose. And that is like the deepest purple. I'm just taking it into the crease. All right. Much darker than the pan color looks, that's for sure. Much darker. We're doing it to it. Lonely days are gone, I'm going home. My baby just wrote me a letter. That's a really old song that I'd love to sing at karaoke. Well, this looks like dark as fuck. Why am I such a potty mouth today? I don't know, but I really thought this purple would bring some color because everything is so dark and delicious. Dark and delicious. I guess I'm going to try to go into this wine color here and see if I can't do something with that. It's very beautiful. A little hiccup in the pan. Just another dark color. It's just dark upon dark. And I'm blending it out. And it's coming out a little purple. I'm blending it out real soft. It just looks so dark. I don't know what I expected from this palette. It's dragging out the dark purple from this wine color. Ooh, I just made my longest move streak in the history of me and my Apple Watch. How many days? 123 days I've met my goal. Let's get a soft brush and soften this bad boy up. This is my fluffy brush I like to use to blend. Whew, darkness all around me. I'm going to go into Want to Play, which is a bright silver, which is going to go on my lid. And it's the first shimmer that I've used. I've used nothing but mattes. Oh yeah, thank goodness it's brightening this look up. Wow. I know what kind of lipstick I'm going to be wearing. Hot pink. Just kidding. This palette is beautiful in its darkness. Dark, dark, dark. It's super dark. All right. So I've got that look there. And I'm going to do some eyeliner. Not a whole lot of eyeliner, just a little tiny bit. I'm just doing the edge and bring it in about halfway through my eye. I don't want to close it all up. So now I'm going to do some mascara from Huge from Stila. I had some other mascara that I wanted to use that I got as a free gift for a review. But I left it in the other room. Some fake lashes would really set this look off. But this mascara is pretty daggone good. It's about time for me to open up my new one though. I don't even know how long I've had this open. Long time. But it's still got some payoff. We love the payoff. Now we're going to do a dark lip. Because what else am I going to do? And I'm going to do number 50. Voyager from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. Alrighty, we've got a dark and lovely look. It's a shame I'm not going anywhere today. Just sitting around the house with a dark smoky look. Looking like a superstar. I want to thank you guys for being with me. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.